everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to make orange cream, or it's also known as vitamin C cream, easily at home. This cream is highly effective in skin lightening and skin whitening. It also removes all your dark spots, pigmentation, pimples and acne scars easily at home. This cream is 100% natural and 100% effective in skin brightening and lightening. So to prepare this cream, you firstly gonna need orange juice. And to prepare this orange juice, you are gonna need an orange, or you can even take tangerine. Now you just have to peel the orange or the tangerine. And after peeling the orange, now you have to further peel it and remove the outer layer of this orange, or the white skin of the orange, and should also remove the seeds from 3 to 4 orange slices. So now after nicely peeling the orange, it will look like this. And now you have to put this into a grinder and blend it really nicely to make a smooth and a pulpy mixture. And after grinding or blending it really nicely, your paste will look like this. And now you have to strain it to take out the fine orange juice out of this pulpy mixture. And if you don't want to do all these work, then you can also mess up your juicer to take out the juice of one orange. And after straining this mixture, your homemade orange juice is ready, and it will look like this. It should be so much fine and so much smooth, as you can see in the video. And now to prepare the cream, you firstly have to take approx 1.5 tablespoon of orange juice in a clean bowl. After that, you have to add 1 tablespoon of glycerin in it. Then you have to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil in it. And after adding the olive oil, you just have to give a good stir to all these 3 ingredients and mix all these ingredients really nicely. And after mixing all these 3 ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And you have to add 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel in it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, now you have to mix all these ingredients really nicely to make a smooth, fluffy and a creamy paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade orange cream is ready, and it will look like this. This cream is also known as vitamin C cream because it's rich in vitamin C, and the consistency of this cream should be medium and so much fluffy and creamy as I'm showing you in the video. This cream is made up of 100% natural ingredients, which helps in brightening and lightening your skin complexion and in removing your dark spots, pigmentation and pimples from your skin. So now let me tell you how to store this cream for best results. So now I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container, and you can use any airtight container to store this cream, and you can keep this cream in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. So now let me tell you how to use this cream to get best results. So you just need to take a little amount of this cream and apply it all over your skin. After applying it, just give a good massage to your skin for about 30 to 45 seconds. And that is it. Just apply it normally as you apply other creams on your skin. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight so that your skin completely absorbs this cream. And for the best results, use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.